there, this is Marcia Worrell, your local Lilla Rose consultant. Recently I did join Lilla Rose because I was a huge fan of the different flexi clips that they offer and some of the hair sticks and other products. And so I received my consultant stylist kit, I think it was yesterday, and I wanted to unbox it with you. So I'm going to record this and post it on YouTube. So those of you that maybe have been looking at Lilla Rose and you're not real sure what comes in the kit, or whether or not what comes in it might be something you're interested in, or if there are hair pieces that maybe you already have. So I want it to open so you could see what I actually received. Now I can tell you that the styles that you receive in the box do vary, so you may not necessarily get what I received, or you could. But let's get started and we're going to open it together. All right, so it came in a priority mailbox, which is a good size, and it's actually quite heavy. Keep in mind, in here not only are there the styles that I receive, but also business materials, such as catalogs and order forms and all that good stuff. So it does have quite a bit of weight to it, which is really cool. And then, of course, like I said, it does have all of the hair accessories and adornments that you receive with it. Okay, looks like that one's open. Let's see. I'm going to have to cut it down. And with those of you that are not familiar with Lilla Rose, it is a hair accessory company that carries a really wide variety of hair accessories, and it's everything from headbands to what we call hair sticks that are kind of similar to chopsticks. We even have rose water and sea salt spray, and we also have a towel that you use to dry your hair as well. So there's a lot of different variety there's a lot of variety of options for sure. Okay, so inside the big white priority mailbox is this purple box, and I have it upside down. Okay, it says Lilla Rose, which is really pretty, and it's actually purple and white. And for those of you that have a question about the cost, so this kit that you're seeing here is the $89 kit. When I signed up, it was $89 to sign up, and then you also received an $89 credit for products of your choice. And so that box should actually be coming in the next day or so. But this is the actual consultant kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So I'm going to turn this around. You'll see it says Lilla Rose, hello gorgeous. Stylists make the magic happen. And it has the little bow and the Lilla Rose logo. So in here is a purple folder that just has like almost a silhouette outline of all the different types of hair accessories that are provided from Lilla Rose. And inside of here we have a Stylist Manual, which I can appreciate this. Now, I know some of you this may not be a big deal, but I've been in direct sales for 21 years now, and I have over the years have sold just about every company out there. Some of them I've been with for seems like forever, for 13 plus years. Others I've been with a couple of years. It just depends. You do not see an actual physical manual like this often. This is absolutely amazing. This is not the norm. Most companies, it's either a PDF or it's a really condensed version, but this is awesome. I mean, this has, let's see if the pages are numbered. They are not numbered, but again, this is a pretty good size book. I am very impressed with that. I just need you to know. There is a flyer about Amy, which is a program that they have for consultants. There's Ready, Set, When, Start Here guide. Looks like some, maybe a flyer about things you can earn. Display photos that go on the display. And these are actually pretty cool because these display photos that show some really nice pictures of the hair adornments, these are actual photos. These are real photographs. They're not just printed copies, and that's impressive as well. And they're like an 8x10 size. So you have that, so that's really pretty. Okay, so that's what's in the folder. All right, so then there are some little brochures. I don't think these are catalogs. I think these are brochures that maybe explain how to host a party, I think. I'm not sure. It says Everyday Beauty, so maybe they're how-to guides. Then there's a pack of, looks like style sheets is what it's called. There is a set of business cards that you can write your information on. And you also, whenever we kind of help style a customer, we help them decide what size clips work best for their hair. So you actually can mark it down here to help them remember. And that's really neat. Then here we have, looks like Everyday Beauty Fashionable Hair Accessories from under $10. Again, I don't think these are catalogs. I think these are almost like little mini catalogs. Maybe about hosting a party might be one of these. I'm not sure. Then we have these larger ones, and I believe these larger, thicker ones are actual full-line catalogs, if I'm not mistaken. And they just say Everyday Beauty. And I will do a separate video that does a flip-through, a walkthrough of the catalog, just so that you know. Okay, so here's the Hostess guide. So it says Host a Style Up. And those of you that are not real familiar, whenever we have a show and we show off all of the products, it's called a Style Up. And as a hostess, you can earn free products when we do a Style Up. So here is the stand that goes with these banners that you can actually set up on your display, which are really, really nice. And they have several different hairstyles that you can use our products with. Then we have order forms. And then last, but certainly not least, we have all of the clips that came in my particular kit. All right, so the first thing that I see in here is we have a set of U-pins, and they have a really pretty floral print to them. Then that looks like that's one style, and perhaps, I was trying to see if there's a difference in the size. They look like they're about the same. Maybe this is large, looks like it. But this one has sort of a Celtic design. It's really pretty. I like that. That's another set of U-pins. Then we have a flexi clip. This is an extra, extra small, and this is also the Celtic, and this sort of pretty bronze color. I really like that. It's cute. Then here is another one. This one is an extra small, and it has little turquoise type beads. See if it'll help. There we go. And it kind of gives you an idea on sizing. So the one on the top is the extra, extra small, and the one on the bottom is the extra small. So you can definitely tell there is a difference in size. Okay. Then we have another flexi clip, and this one is almost like sort of blackish beads, and this is a medium. This one's really pretty. It has sort of dark purple rhinestones with a big one here in the middle, and this is also a medium. And we have a bobby pin. It's pretty. It has a shimmery sort of stone in the middle. We have, oh, this is really nice. Another flexi clip, and this one's a small, and it has sort of a pretty copper color, and then the turquoise beads as well. Oh, this is one of the ones that has the dangling piece. This one is a small, and let's see if I can open it without ripping it. I need to show you this one. This is really, really cute because it has a really adorable looks like peacock feathers that hang down. That is so pretty. I don't think I've seen that one in the catalog. So you have the sort of feathers that dangle, and then the peacock's head and his body. It's really, really pretty. Then here's another one of the sort of Celtic looking ones, but this one has a silver tone, and it's an extra small. So the one that I looked at earlier, sort of a copper, and it's an extra, extra small, and then that one's an extra small, to kind of give you an idea of size. Then we have another style sort of U-pin, and this one, of course, it's a good size one. It reminds me almost of a paper clip, but this is actually kind of cool. Then we have another flexi clip, and this one is a large. And it's got sort of clear beads and then a stone in the middle. Then we have, looks like a second bobby pin. And it looks like it matches the same as the other one, so I have a set. This one is another sort of Celtic look, and it has sort of a braided leather loop on each side, and then the sort of Celtic look in the middle. And this one's a small. And this one, I noticed, is one of the ones that doesn't come with the bar, so you would use a stick, a hair stick with this one to hold it in place. And if I'm not mistaken, the sort of signature look that with the braided, all of those are made that way. The ones I've seen so far. So then here we have, looks like a hair, I think this is a hair band in the top. I don't know if you can see it very well. It looks braided. And then we have another one of those braided pieces that uses the stick here to hold it in place. And there's two sizes of stick. There's a large and there's a small. And those, I'll do a demo video at a later date to show how to put that in. Just like I'll do one for the flexi clip as well. Then we have two little straps, and these are the adhesive straps that go with the hair bands that are here, the little braided hairband. There's one of those, and then you have two side straps. So you have, oh, I'm sorry, they're actually, I take that back. They're both a small, they're just two different colors. And typically you match the colors to your hair color, so it's not as noticeable. Here we have a hair stick, and this one has a really pretty sort of porcelain looking bead at the top. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but it's actually kind of pretty. It's got a rhinestone looking here and here, and then the porcelain bead at the top here. I'm not sure if that helps at all. Maybe. All right, and then last but certainly not least is another hairband, and this one has like little rhinestones on it. And again, you take these, this is the top part that people see, and then you use the little soft clip on the back, the underside, to hold it in place. And then there's just a cute little guide in here that talks about the different sizes and what hair type typically goes with them for each one. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the kit. So I hope that that was kind of helpful for you to see what could potentially come in your kit. Like I said, I do know that they stated that every kit is a little different. I can appreciate that I did not get any duplicates or anything that I already have. Like I said, I have quite a few pieces. I will say most of what I personally own are either flexi clips or they are hair sticks. I'm quite fond of, oh, and bobby pins. I'm quite fond of both of those things, although all three of those things really. And I will say all of the ones that I received, I do not already own any of these. So that's perfect because if I decided I wanted to keep some of these for myself and not use them all for showing or for inventory or whatever I plan to use with it, I can appreciate that because then I won't have any duplicates. I'll have all new stuff that I can show as well as the stuff that I already own. I can show it in my own hair. So again, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to ask. I love and welcome feedback. If there's anything I can help you with, please feel free to message me. And if you don't already have a catalog and you'd like a catalog, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I would love to send you one. So talk to you soon. Bye.